Thomas & Muller Systems Limited has over 70 years of experience in the design, engineering, and fabrication of custom mechanical bulk materials handling and conveying equipment. We specialize in systems used to handle and convey difficult, problematic materials. Materials of construction range from carbon steel, stainless steel, 304, 316, 309, 310, etc., Hastelloy, Inconel, AR steel, etc. If needed, we will polish to a number 4 finish with continuous welds to SEMA 4, a dairy or pharmaceutical finish. When specs require it, we can design and fabricate U-stamped pressure vessels. We can design a belt conveyor with customized accessories to maximize efficacy for your application. Examples include slider beds, inclines, pivots, cleats, and sidewalls. Our drag conveyors can handle an extreme range in material particle size and can handle abrasive materials as well as high temperatures. Available in centrifugal, continuous, and positive discharge. Types offered include buckets on belts or chains, head shaft, counterweight, gravity, and screw boot take-up, inclined bucket elevator, and supercapacity. Our screw conveyors can move reasonably dry to sludge materials. We have successfully conveyed everything from dry, free-flowing powders to thixotropic clay-like materials. The screw diameter, screw speed, and housing loading are all customized to your application. Our designs take into account product degradation, product compactions, and equipment wear. We have decades of experience with designing mass flow feeders. These are specifically needed for materials that can bridge, rat hole, arch, segregate, or materials that have varying material characteristics. Live bottoms for bins and hoppers. Blenders, bins and hoppers. Cantilevered screws. Heating and cooling screws. Dewatering screw conveyors. We have extensive experience serving the requirements of the following industries: food, medical, biomass, chemical, recycling, remediation, wastewater, alternate fuels, heavy industry, trash to steam, pharmaceutical, process industry. At Thomas & Muller, we work with our customers to correct, change, or improve their current systems or equipment. We also repair damaged and worn equipment when cost-effective. Contact us today to learn more.